The creator economy is booming. Millions of people sell digital products, courses, and memberships online. Two platforms dominate this landscape, Shopify and Gumroad. But which one is right for you? Both platforms empower creators, but they cater to different needs and scales. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your success. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses is essential for navigating this exciting landscape. This exploration will analyze both platforms, comparing their features, benefits, and suitability for different creators. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this guide will equip you to make an informed decision. Shopify is a robust platform designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for building and managing an online store. From customizable themes to integrated payment gateways, Shopify provides a scalable solution for serious sellers. One of Shopify's key strengths is its extensive app store. With thousands of integrations, businesses can extend their store's functionality to meet specific needs. Whether it's advanced analytics, email marketing, or social media integration, Shopify's app ecosystem offers unparalleled flexibility. However, this power comes with a learning curve. Shopify's extensive features can be overwhelming for beginners. Additionally, the platform operates on a subscription model with transaction fees, which can impact profitability, especially for smaller sellers. Gumroad takes a different approach, prioritizing simplicity and ease of use. It focuses on digital products and memberships, making it ideal for creators, educators, and artists. Gumroad's streamlined interface allows sellers to start selling quickly without needing technical expertise. Gumroad excels in its creator-centric features. It offers built-in tools for pre-orders, discount codes, and customer relationship management. Gumroad also handles payment processing and delivery, freeing creators to focus on their craft. Gumroad operates on a transaction-based pricing model. This means you only pay when you make a sale, making it a cost-effective solution for creators starting. However, Gumroad's simplicity means it may lack the advanced customization options and scalability of Shopify. Section 4. Shopify's meteoric rise, a data-driven perspective. Shopify has experienced phenomenal growth, becoming a giant in the e-commerce space. With over 1.75 million merchants worldwide, Shopify powers a significant portion of online businesses. Its intuitive platform and robust features have driven high user satisfaction rates. Shopify's market cap exceeded $70 billion, reflecting its dominance in the industry. The platform's success can be attributed to its continuous innovation, expanding app ecosystem, and strong customer support network. Shopify's data showcases its popularity and reliability as an e-commerce solution. It's a platform designed for growth and offers the tools and resources businesses need to succeed in a competitive online marketplace. Section 5. Finding the right fit. It's about your journey. Choosing between Shopify and Gumroad depends on your specific needs and goals. Shopify, with its extensive features and scalability, is ideal for established businesses or those looking to grow rapidly. Its powerful tools justify the learning curve and cost for businesses processing high sales volumes. Gumroad, with its simplicity and creator-friendly features, is perfect for creators, educators, and artists starting or selling digital products. Its ease of use and transaction-based pricing make it a low-risk, accessible option. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that aligns with your current stage and ambitions. Understanding your needs and priorities will guide you toward the platform that empowers your success in the ever-evolving creator economy.